Moiboo Workshop Software. Service Repair Appointment. Add Enquiry Guide. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Navigate to Add Appointment. Log in to your Moiboo Workshop Management System dashboard. Click on the Repair module from the main navigation menu. Go to Appointment/Add Appointment. Step 2. Select Product. Products. Select the product or repair service type from the Select a Product drop-down menu. Step 3. Enter customer and vehicle information. Customer. Choose an existing customer from the drop-down menu or click the plus add icon to register a new customer. Vehicle. Select the vehicle linked to the customer by registration/plate number or add a new vehicle record. Step 4. Schedule dates, times and service engineer. In date and time, select the entry date and preferred time slot for vehicle arrival. Out date and time, set the estimated completion date and drop-off time slot. Appointment details box. Verify that the scheduled booking slot matches the selected date range. Service engineer. Assign a primary technician or service manager from the drop-down list. Step 5. Save and send notification. Scroll down to complete the entry using one of the action options. Save. Creates and stores the appointment or enquiry entry in the workshop system. Save an email. Saves the entry and sends a booking confirmation via email to the customer. Save and WhatsApp. Saves the appointment and sends an instant WhatsApp confirmation with service details. Cancel. Discards all field details without saving.